Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character from the world of animated series. It was first created by Stanley and Don Heck. Well, how do we say his name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Hawkeye, Hawkeye, Hawk, Eye, Hawkeye. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Hawkeye, Hawkeye, Ha-kai, Hawkeye. Hawkeye is a skilled archer and marksman known for his precision with a bow and arrow. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Hawkeye, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.